Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. I am hoping that you all are fine. So guys, in this video I will discuss about for December 2021 students, okay, what will be your strategy for upcoming December 2021 exams, and June 2021 student can also see. In this video I will discuss about the strategy, study plan or study way to complete your syllabus as soon as possible. What will be the revision strategy, each and everything will training, each and everything in this video I will discuss, okay. If you guys have any question in the comment section, you can ask me. If you need any clarification related with each and anything in the comment section, you can ask me. Surely I will try to help you. So I have noted down in front of me. I will read one by one the best strategy and study plan. If you follow, I can assure you that you can easily crack your upcoming December 2021, June 2021, June 2022 student can also refer this. First of all, guys, most of the student has a doubt whether exams will be December 2020 exams will be online or offline, or whether SAP training, computer training, IUTP training and practical training is exempt for December 2021 exam or not. So I will give one by one. So guys, you have also seen the recent interview of our respected Papan sir with our respected Sanket bhai, okay. So they have also said the same thing. It is too early to say anything about December 2021 exams or paper pattern, okay. But my suggestion to you, mostly the chances that exams are going to online. Reason is that Jan 21 online, June 21 online, and if you see the past communication, past sessions of the officials of institute, they never say a single word about offline, okay. They more focus on online. So yes, mostly December 2021 exam will be online, but in this video I will also discuss a strategy in which you can easily manage offline exam or online exam, okay. But mostly the chances that online, okay. And if you are asking about SAP training, IOTP training, computer training and practical training exemption, so guys, there is although the situation are improving day by day, but most chances that institute will provide the exemption, and whenever I get the information, surely I will share with you so that you will get relief. But my end also, whenever I get the information related any new batch announcement of SAP batch, computer training, IOTP training, and in Telegram channel I am also sharing the too many training opportunities, okay. So guys, I will inform you, but my suggestion to you, if you get chance to attend this training, you should attend. It will benefit you to crack your on campus or on off campus job opportunity. So guys, second thing is that what will be your strategy plan or strategy pattern. If you follow this, I can assure you that you can easily crack your exam. First of all, more focus on a study material. Rank holder, I am also saying again and again to you, recently qualified CMA, more focus on a study material, okay. First complete your study material, then at least 2 time revision, then after completing 2 time revision, solved syllabus 2016 past year paper, and then workbook, then MCQ booklet, then mock test paper, and then model test paper. If you follow this strategy, I can assure you that with good mark you can crack your CMA foundation, intermediate or final examination. Syllabus 2016 past year paper, MCQ booklet or workbook you can easily find from institute website. I have already also prepared a video on this topic, okay. Hope you guys understand this question, okay. So please follow this strategy. I can assure you that you can easily crack your examination, whether paper pattern online or offline, it doesn't matter to you. So guys, as a provision or as a conservative concept, my suggestion to you, please practice every day 10 to 15 minutes, or in alternative day, please practice writing theory in your laptop, desktop, whichever mode as of now available to you. It is my humble request. Jan 21 student face problem in writing theory in online manner. So that is why on a provision basis, on best strategy, please write theory, okay. And if you can find too many coaching private coaching institution are providing mock test paper, so please solve more and more, okay. After completing these syllabus or 2 time revision, okay, maintain in a house a decorum that give 3 hours, solve a practical question, okay, in a manner that you are giving real exam, okay. Like Raghav Academy and too many other private coaching institutions are providing the mock test paper. Solve as much as possible, okay. As of now for December, no mock test paper released by institute, so please solve those mock test paper providing by private institutions, okay. And what will be a strategy for practical or theoretical? So my suggestion to you, which I have followed my CMA journey, please make a separate register. One is, you can say, the rough register, but please make a fair register in which you contain all the study note wise solution of all practical question. I can assure that this will benefit you whenever you are revising or one day before the exam, okay. You need not to find the where I will find the solution of question number 33, question number 77 of partnership, question number of combination, yeah, business amalgamation, okay, yeah, Ind AS 20, So AS20, okay. So please make a separate register for practical question in which you contain all the solution of practical question, okay. Now for theoretical subject, although for practical or each and everything study material is best, but if you are facing problem reading theory from study material, you can buy any reference book, but only one reference book. Do not think about I will read law from this book, this book, this book. This will create a problem to you and confusion in your mind, okay. And please make summary notes, handwritten notes for theory related subjects. So hope you understand this 4 important points. Now come to 5 point, okay. My suggestion to you guys, please follow always study material. If you are following reference book, it is okay, but first priority to study material. If you heard the words of rank holders, recently qualified or past rank holders, qualified CMA, even though if you are talking about me, study material is best to clear the CMA foundation, intermediate or final examination. I can assure you that, okay. I am accepting that there are few errors in study material, so please ignore and more focus on the positive aspect rather than negative aspect. So hope you understand that. For theory subject, you can buy some reference book if you are facing problem in study material, okay. And for theory subject, make your summary notes, handwritten notes of every chapter. This will benefit you to read 1.5 days strategy and last 1 month strategy for you. And those guys who are doing self-study, so make your own timetable and complete your syllabus as soon as possible. And those who are taking classes, finish the classes as soon as possible. If your teacher taking too much time, request them, okay, as a team, come together guys, and you should talk to your teacher to complete your syllabus as soon as possible, okay. If you are giving both group, so 2 months before your exam, your classes should be finished, okay. And if you are giving one group, so 1 month before the exams, remaining 1 or 2 months, you should study it as a self study, okay. You have to revise again and again, practice more and more, okay. For both group, last 2 months is needed. For one group, 1 month is sufficient. And those students who are doing articleship, who are doing full-time job, so please take a confirmation from your reporting manager that you need a specific leave before your examination, okay. Otherwise at the end of your before the examination, they will create a problem to you, okay. And please also optimum utilization. I am accepting that you do not have sufficient time, okay, but in the morning 2-3 hours, after coming office 2-3 hours you can spend, so easily you can crack examination if you are doing full-time job or if you are doing practice, okay. And also take a confirmation from reporting manager. You will take 1 month, 20 days or 2 month leave as per your communication with your reporting manager, okay. But please take a prior confirmation, okay. Do not depend that you will talk before the examination, okay. Otherwise it will create a problem to you. And you should also optimum utilization during your traveling time. During your travel time, you can read 2, 3, 5 pages PDF as much as possible in your mobile phone. Okay, this is the 7th point. Then 8th point, guys. If you want to become a CMA as soon as possible, so we need to do some sacrifice. If you're talking about me, I did some sacrifice related with not attending my family function, close relative family function, okay. So these kind of sacrifices you need to do, okay. You have to sacrifice some attending family function. Reason is that whenever we attend some family function, after 2 and 3 days, we are not concentrate on a study, okay. Our mind is that place in village, oh we have attended that. So please understand that you have to avoid. After completing the examination, you should attend as much as possible more and more family functions, okay. So please, I also did the strategy and easily crack my CMA journey. And what will be the self-study sufficient time before examination? So if you are giving one group 1 month is sufficient. If you are giving both group, 2 months is sufficient. If you are talking about me, I have also always give single group, okay. So 1 month is sufficient for me. I have taken the offline classes, okay. That time the situation is normal, okay. So whether teacher completes syllabus or not, for December attempt 31st October is my last day. Otherwise I will not go to any coaching classes. And for June attempt 30th April, last my month is full my month, okay. And for December attempt November is my month. I studied from morning to till night, okay. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 hours as much as possible. So please understand that 1 month for group 1 and 2 months for group both group student need to reserve whether syllabus complete or not, okay. This is the responsibility of teacher to complete your syllabus before the time, okay. The last point is that Okay, this is a professional exam. We cannot say that, guys, ki, if we read before 1 month or 10 days, so easily we can clear the examination. Okay, I will not digest these words. Okay, in professional examination, we need consistency from beginning itself. But I'm not saying here that you have to spend 10 hours, 14 hours for foundation. Apart from class, 4 hours is sufficient for foundation student. For intermediate group 1 student, apart from class, 6 hours or 5 hours is sufficient. If you are giving both groups, so 8 hours is sufficient. Okay, apart from classes. Reason is that you are managing some subject with self study. Okay, so you need to maintain that consistency. Do not depend that last 1 month you will study hard and you can easily crack the examination. Okay, rare chance for clearing the examination. Otherwise, you have to face some problems. So these are the best and study plan, strategy way or strategy. If you follow, I can assure you that you can easily crack your upcoming December 2021 examination. June 2022 student can also follow the same strategy and study plan. Although I will also make such kind of strategy for June 2021 student. Still, any candidate has doubt, question, in the comment section, you can ask me if you want some clarification. I will surely try to help you. From my side, that's all about in this video. Bye, guys.